Oh, YouTube. Gareth, over in Pemberton and Wigan, sent me a Cobra in a box, if you don't mind. It's the original box. Oh, hold on. He sent me two of them in their original boxes. How about that? Right, let's get them open and see what we have. Okay then, Gary. The way we're going to do this is we're going to have Gary radio A and B. So this is A, and cases are good. I see a big switch on the back, whatever that's for, and a tail for a counter. New screws in the cases, and very clever use of aluminium tape. That's a good idea. Don't know if Gareth done that himself or it was like that when he got it. So let's fire it up and see what we got. I just plugged in a counter here to see where we are, because this thing has I think she's super low. 26065. $27,995. Super low to super high, or low to super high, I think. I don't know. 26. 10k jump. Now that's random. $28,305, and then we go up another band, and it comes back down. Anywho, oh, let's see what the switch does. Yeah, Roger beep is on the switch in the back, and you know, whoops, massive switch. Stevie Wonder would find that. I don't like when people do it this way. Anyway, let's crack it open. Oh yeah, LED in the meter, but it's only lighting up one side of it really. Faceplate's not bad. Okay, let's open her up. Right, the usual story here. Diode job. An awful lot of soldering on this board has been touched up. An awful lot of it. About 80% of it. It's too shiny to be original. So you get in close here. Let's see. The pointer. Where's my pointer? Here it is. So let's see. Like so that's original. That's not. That's not. That's not. That is. So you can see all the real shiny stuff is where it's been reworked for one reason or another. I don't know why. Large amount of it has been done anyway. Yeah, so it's a pretty new looking meter. You see the meter harness going out the back. The massive switch for the Roger beep. Not sure what this is about. Some breeder relay for something or I have no clue what this is. Maybe, where's it going? It's going to the band switch anyway, so it's something to do with the diode conversion, and yet it's got an EEPROM in there as well, so I don't know, it must have UKFM somewhere that I just haven't found it yet. I don't, some of these conversions can, like, I don't do stuff like this. Don't that's that's not my thing at all. Like, that's too much chaos for me now. I wouldn't be able to cope with that. Yeah, so yeah, it looks alright inside. Don't see anything out of the norm. Fresh copper or fresh thermal compound. See that? Oh, that's been changed alright. Blowtorch bird's been in there. Tidy radio. She's AB, PB, O&O AB. And yeah. So I'll have to see what he wants done with this now. So we'll treat Radio B as a separate video just to keep everything right. So 73, we'll get you in the next one.